In example 4 here, we are going to perform what's called a glide reflection. Okay, so a glide reflection is a transformation that involves a translation first. That's what we did back in section 11.1, followed by a reflection in which every point P is mapped to a point P double prime using the following steps. First, we're going to do a translation. And then second, we are going to reflect that line in a line K, which is parallel to the direction of the translation maps P prime to P double prime. Okay, now we'll show you what that means in just a second. So let me move my face out of here and scroll down just a tad. So the glide reflection they would like us to perform is to take a triangle ABC with coordinates A, 3, 2. So let's plot that right away. So A, 3, 2. B, 6, 3. So go over to 6 and then up 3. And then C, 7, 1. So go over to 7 and up 1. So there are our vertices of triangle ABC. So now let's draw the sides of that triangle. There's A to B, B to C, and then C back to A. And there's our triangle. So now we want to translate this first. So look at the translation rule. The translation rule says to move all points xy to x minus 12y. Well, that means we got to move if we're subtracting 12 from the x values, we got to move them 12 to the left. So let's move a 12 to the left. So if I'm at 3, I know 3 minus 12 is negative 9. So there will be a prime. B has coordinates 6, 3. So 6 minus 12 is negative 6. So that would move there. And there's B prime. And then C at 7, 1, 7 minus 12 is negative 5, so that would move to negative 5, 1, 12 to the left. So what you should get is a triangle that looks exactly the same as the first triangle we had, only now it's moved over 12 units to the left. So that's step 1. We did a translation. So that's the glide. Now we're going to reflect it. Well, what are we going to reflect it in? The x-axis. So if I want to reflect this in the x-axis is right here, of course. Let me draw my line of reflection right over that x-axis. And now let's reflect triangle A prime, B prime, C prime over the x-axis. So A prime is 2 above. Let's go 2 below. And there's A double prime. B prime is 1, 2, 3 above. Let's go 1, 2, 3 below. There's B double prime. And then C is 1 above, go 1 below. C double prime. And now that I have that drawn, I can simply connect again A, B, and C. And here will be our final image. A to B, A double prime to B double prime to C double prime and back. And there it is. So here is the image after a glide reflection from ABC, translating to the left 12, and then flipping it over this line. And that would be our final image. And there's a glide reflection.